Hey everyone, how are you? A quick wipe off of the floor and we're done. My tools are packed away in the van, so we're out of here. Another bathroom. Another bathroom DIYs. Subscribe to my channel and you will learn to tile. It's as easy as that. By watching enough of what I do, enough of what I do, you will learn all your tips, tricks, how-tos, everything. Nice. We'll see you again soon. There's the toilet, I'll just wipe that out. We'll see you again soon. Hooroo! Don't forget to subscribe. Press the buttons. Ooh.